Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn part 1 of 1000 daily use short sentences. The video will help you to speak fluently. Okay, let's get started. Are you ready? Are you ready? What are you doing? What are you doing? I can't wait. I can't wait. It is cold. It is cold. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. It's getting late. It's getting late. What happened? What happened? What's your name? What's your name? Your answer is right. Your answer is right. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. How about this one? How about this one? That's great news. That's great news. I am having lunch. I am having lunch. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Who is calling you? Who is calling you? I feel much better. I feel much better. Let me go inside. Let me go inside. This is very useful. This is very useful. That was unique. That was unique. How far is it? How far is it? Please put it away. Please put it away. What's new? What's new? Hurry up. Hurry up. It's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. What about your job? What about your job? It seems all right. It seems all right. It does not work. It does not work. When will you come back? When will you come back? Please fix this. Please fix this. Stop smoking here. Stop smoking here. You look pretty. You look pretty. Have a good time. Have a good time. Where do you live? Where do you live? Drive carefully. Drive carefully. It's cold. It's cold. No kidding. No kidding. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Where are you? Where are you? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Since when? Since when? I was wrong. I was wrong. I have got it. I have got it. We are watching drama. We are watching drama. Get out. Get out. Sit down. Sit down. Is he a student? Is he a student? Is it okay? Is it okay? I feel unwell. I feel unwell. How much is it? How much is it? I am doing well. I am doing well. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. I will treat you. I will treat you. Let's have lunch. Let's have lunch. He is my friend. He is my friend. It will be fine. It will be fine. It was a dark night. It was a dark night. We were sleeping. We were sleeping. I feel tired. I feel tired. Never mind. Never mind. I will call you later. I will call you later. Are you sure? Are you sure? I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. She is doing a job. She is doing a job. You can make it. You can make it. It's almost over. It's almost over. Time is up. Time is up. Why did you quit? Why did you quit? Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. That's mine. That's mine. Have you finished it? Have you finished it? She has got a new phone. She has got a new phone. He is coming. He is coming. See you soon. See you soon. It's impossible. It's impossible. Long time no see. Long time no see. I am leaving. I am leaving. It's getting late. It's getting late. I am hungry. I am hungry. Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? She has told me. She has told me. Keep secret. Keep secret. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How wonderful. How wonderful. I bought a car. I bought a car. Where is my clothes? Where is my clothes? The food is being ready. The food is being ready. See you around. See you around. I have no money. I have no money. That's terrible. That's terrible. She has made a cake. She has made a cake. How is it going? How is it going? She's in the room. She's in the room. Are you excited? Are you excited? I have done the work. I have done the work. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Why did you call me? Why did you call me? Don't talk. Don't talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.